Mr. Trump attracted me because he was more of an honest person. He was a straight shooter. So he kind of like resonated with me because I'm that kind of person too. I like honesty. I like people who tell me the truth, not try to sweet talk me or treat me like I'm some kind of fool. Hillary on the other side, she was too perfect for me. She was too proper, too political. I couldn't see through her. Trump, on the other hand, he wasn't political. He was like a regular person, and I could see through him. So that's really how I ended up drawing the distinction in deciding who to go for. Mr. Trump is not against foreigners. He's married to one, okay? And there's a lot of foreigners like myself and Cuban Americans and everybody else who voted for him. Because we can see through BS. We know when somebody is real and when somebody is not real. Okay, don't try to sweet talk me to make me think, oh, you like foreigners, when I can see that you're just a fake. Hillary was a fake. Trump is real. He's not perfect, but at least I know what I'm getting with Trump. Mr. Trump has worked with a lot of women. It's a beauty pageant owner or whatever. And how many women came to accuse him of stuff? Maybe just a few. If for someone who worked with so many women in the world, you think that if you were so horrible to women, you would have more than 100 people coming forward to say he did this and that, okay? And all this stuff only came out when he started running for president. Before then, nobody said anything. All right, so that's when I question people's agendas. What's your true agenda? Someone was so horrible. How come you have to wait till he was stepping up to do something for everybody for you to speak up? Yes, I am. I am so excited. I've never been to Inauguration Day before. I've been here for 20 years. You know, I'm a new citizen. I'm proud of my vote. I voted for Mr. Trump. I've never been so into any election campaign before. This is my first time ever giving my whole mind, body, and soul. I follow every news story. I followed everything. There's nothing that it means. I got a lot of hate from people who saw me as this black person, woman, immigrant who should be voting Hillary, but I cannot be boxed. I think for myself as a human being. I'm a human being first. You know, and I'm American now. I'm also an immigrant. I'm also a woman, but I cannot be boxed. I think those days of boxing people should be over. And I'm so excited for Inauguration Day because I am going, and also I am going to be volunteering. My first time ever working in this capacity. So I'm actually one of the volunteers for the inauguration. So I'm on the team. And I'm so excited about that. And even before I speak to be a volunteer, I already bought my Make America Great Again shirt and hat, so I can wear it on the day. I'm gonna go to the concert on Thursday, and I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna be there volunteering all day long. I'm just helping out, make America great again. I believe in that, and I'm excited, and I'm just happy for Mr. Trump, and I'm so happy he won. As a business person, first of all, I said, okay, we already see the stock exchange, the stock market is already shooting up, record numbers. Everybody's very enthusiastic about Mr. Trump as a businessman. He's coming with a different outlook on how to do things. We're all tired of politics or politicians because a lot of them are just in for their agenda. They're in to please a certain person who's funding them. Mr. Trump, he doesn't owe anybody anything.